Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to pull up your e-statements on the US Bank app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and pull up your e-statements on the US Bank app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So first, what you're going to do is log onto your US Bank app, and then where on the top hand side where it says underneath welcome, you should see a button that says statements. Click on statements. Then underneath My Documents, click on e-statements. So once this finishes loading, you should be able to see all your documents or bank statements on the app itself. It is organized by month, but there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and pull up your e-statements on the US Bank app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.